Right. How's everybody doing out there? Notch Trader here. Just wanted to run you through really quick and give you a rundown of my BitConnect journey and talk about cryptos a little bit. So, over the past 18 days or so, I've been investing in BitConnect, and this is a pretty good platform for setting up a residual income. As you can see here, my lending wallet has $23.64 in it. Now, I got that from interest from lending out a certain amount of money to the trading platform. Right now, currently, I have $1,480 in there. I started out with $1,100 or so, then put a couple hundred more in, and you can see my total profits from the lending already. Just after 18 days, $253.60. Now, I'm going to reinvest this $23.64, and it's really easy to reinvest. Just click here, click on reinvest. It'll tell you, keep in mind that capital will remain locked for 299 days, and confirm. So $20 invested. There you go. And I'll give you a quick glimpse into, so now you can see my active investment, $1,500. I'll give you a quick glimpse into my transactions. You can see here my lending wallet, all of the transactions that I have accumulated over this past 18 days. And you can see there, started out, let's go back to the end. There we go. $120 starting out. Then I get interest on that. Then I get my $1,020 in. Start getting interest on both of those. Got interest that day on the 120, which was 1.5, a really good day of interest. Then 1.6 the next day, and I got that on the 1,020. And so just kept accumulating. Go and click on the most that I can here. So this is accumulated all over 18 days. So you can see multiple interest payments that are coming in every day. And the key to this is consistency, because this interest is compounding. And if you know anything about compounding interest, it's a very good thing when it's done over a long period of time. So I'm still pretty early in this process, but I'm already making good interest here. And some of these days have been light, 1.9 or 0.19, but then we got some good days here lately, 1.39, then 1.49, 1.48, 1.58. So that's a really good amount of interest, and you'll never be able to get that with any bank, with any financial institution, any investment out there. So over this time period, I'm going to pull in probably about 250% interest over this 290 days that I have, or 299 days that I have my investment set up for. Okay, so that's about it. That's all I wanted to show you today. We can go and take a look at what CoinMarketCap is doing. Because I know cryptos have been skyrocketing lately. We've got Bitcoin futures that are going to be traded tomorrow. So look, we're actually down from a high of about 19,000 price-wise. I think on some exchanges it actually hit 20,000 a couple days ago. So this is a pretty good time to buy right now for Bitcoin. Anytime you see it down, and I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not telling you to buy it, I'm just saying that's what I'm going to do. And it would be a good idea because we can see the potential for this currency to just soar through the roof by next year. I think the estimates are for 40,000 by the end of next year. And it could go as high as 100,000 or 200,000 before 2020. So very good estimates on the price of Bitcoin. So if you're got some disposable cash, I would say invest. But remember, I'm just making YouTube videos. I'm not a financial advisor. So if you need financial advice, go see your CPA or your local broker, and they'll be able to advise you legally. But most of them right now are saying either steer clear of Bitcoin or be careful, just put in a very little bit. And that's what I would say too. Just put in a very small amount of your net worth and just hold it, because we see the track record of Bitcoin. Since it came out, since it was invented in 2008, 2009 time frame, it has gone from literally zero up to 14,951 right now, and as high as 20,000. So who's to say that in another 10 years it won't reach, 100,000 or 200,000? We just don't know. So, like I said, if you have some disposable income, money that you don't mind losing, that's what disposable means. You can throw it in a garbage disposal or in the trash, and it won't affect your life. Go ahead and put it in there and just hold it. See what the price does. You might be surprised in the next 10 years what this actual coin does. Now, the rest of these coins, they may go up, they may go down, they may disappear. But Bitcoin is the only one that's unique in this space, in that it was first, it's the most popular. You can see the market cap compared to any of the other ones. It's huge. I mean, 200 times as much. So it's going to be around. So if you want to bet on anything, bet on Bitcoin. And the rest of these, you can look into them, you could play around with them, but I don't put too much faith in any of these down here. Maybe IOTA, since Microsoft has started backing it. So that's it. If you have any questions, like and subscribe. I do these videos. I'm starting to try to do them every day so I can be more consistent. But I do a video at least once a week to just give you an update on cryptos, where it's going, and how my journey is going in BitConnect, because it's been very successful for me so far. And if you're interested in it, I'll leave a link in my description where you can go and sign up for free for BitConnect. You can also get a Coinbase account for free, and if you deposit $100 to transfer it over to BitConnect, Coinbase will give you $100 or $10 back. So you pay 90 to get 100, and then you can invest in BitConnect just to start your residual income, so that later on in life, maybe you're not working anymore unless you want to. So, because this income will be here, because the interest will continue to compound. After that 299 days, I'll get my initial investment back, and the money that's left in there, it will just keep growing. So that's it, everybody. I hope you have a great weekend. Look out for those Bitcoin futures, because I think it's going to be a really exciting time. Nobody's really sure what's going to happen to the price of Bitcoin next week, but I'm optimistic that it's going to go up. All right? Remember, do your research, have a plan, execute. Peace.